Hey y'all, it's Matt with Wackerle. I'm on site today doing an install. I installed some cabinets or vanities like so for a customer, and did one downstairs, and there's another one in this other part of this bathroom here. So those are the vanities I was working on. We took a door here so his wife could match the countertops. I decided not to do the concrete countertops for him. But the tip for today is when you're doing the install, realize that there's other trades that are here. And the customer called me last night and stated that my vanities were crooked. And I was like, really? Because I knew they were square when I built them and when I installed them. So came out here this morning to take a look, and it's not that the vanities were unsquare. If you look at the tile, you see how that tile, it's larger. There's more showing on this side than there is on that side. And that's because the tile is crooked. And it started out that way. If you look at this vanity, they started in here, and it's just a little bit crooked on this one. I'm having a hard time getting my finger to do it, and I got my thumb in the frame. Here we go. So it started out in this one right here, and you can see it all the way over there. It's just a very slight reveal here, and then it comes through the floor and goes to here. So if you look at this one, you can see the reveal on that corner compared to that corner. It's a huge difference. Well, the client, that's the first thing they see. They see those straight lines. And so we measured the room, this room here, and we measured the vanity. The vanity's square. The vanity is exactly the same size all the way across. The room is squarish, within 1/8 of an inch, which is, construction and industry standards. The difference is the squareness from this room to that room is the difference. And it's off by about 1.25 inches. So when the tile guy laid his tile, he laid it all consistent with this room, which then it's 1.25 inches out when we get to this room. So just be able to troubleshoot those scenarios so that it's not your work that's out. You can figure it out, and of course don't be a jerk about it and tell everybody, oh, you're doing your stuff wrong. Just be sure to be able to defend your stuff. So here's the tip of the day. Today I am installing or finishing up. They got everything cut. I got to do pantry all the way around in this room here. So you can see, and the difference is I have an arch here, and they don't want to start until about 4 inches back, because this arch is going to get bricked all the way around. And so I'm going to start about 4 inches back in my measurement and verify that all my measurements are good. And then they don't want to mess up this profile of this window, so I got to measure off the high point there, and the top shelf will be at that high point there to match up with that door frame there. So that's what I'm doing today. But tip of the day, just verify your other trades that are there that you're installing. It does make it look messed up when the tile is crooked. Not really sure what they're going to want to do to fix that, but it's got to be fixed. So y'all have a good one. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks. Bye-bye.